Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful rainbow hand and nails ink. Let's start drawing. First, I draw 5 fingers like this. Wow, that's great! Now I'm draw this for you. 5 knocks. This is a ring. Next, I will draw the round bangles on the hand. This is a beautiful heart. And after that, I'm going to paint with a brush. This is a very beautiful inkwell. I'm drawing a heart in the middle of it. Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Great! Let's start coloring. I am using purple color first. Then I'm using light blue color. Wow, that's great! This is orange color. Then I will apply paint color to 5 nails. This is red color. Blue color. Yellow is my favorite color! Wow! Awesome! This is a favorite color for children. Green. This time I'm doing brown color. This is orange color. This time I'm doing pink color. Orange. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!